Hi YouTube, welcome back. It's Laura with Tuxedo Planners. How are you guys doing today? This is planning for my YouTube or my business Hobonichi weeks for the week of May 27th through June 2nd. And we are back from Smoky Mountain Plannerland, and we had a fantastic time. And I will be uploading some vlogs here shortly. I need to do a lot of editing on those. So we'll be getting those up, but if you want to see my layout for this week, then stay tuned, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to see further content and when I upload those vlogs. But let's get started. So today I'm going to use a kit from Beyond Paper Flowers, and it's this beautiful floral kit. And it has its little habit trackers, so tiny, date headers there, and I went on and I've already marked off my gridded out my Hobonichi weeks the way that I like it. So I'm going to go on and I'm going to put these date headers down. Let me see if I can get my handy dandy tool. I'm going to look in my my pack here. Here it is. I knew I had it. I'll have to do a go through of what I carry in my utility pack, my planning utility pack, on another video. But I'm going to go on and get these date dots down, or these date headers down. But we had a fantastic time in Gatlinburg. We met so many interesting and fun people, and we were so excited to be there. And the classes, the sessions were amazing. I learned to foil. I'm excited to start working on my my hand lettering to get better with that. So it was just wonderful. We had such a wonderful time, and so did Ron. And you know, he was looking forward to when we can go on another one. This is not right. Somehow I've messed up my dates. How did I do that? Oh, Lord, there's 30. You know, people, I really do know the days of the week. I promise I do. But apparently, for some reason, I messed this one up. So, let me see if I've got a whiteout in my bag here. Nope, I don't have. Yep, here we go. My Delphonics utility pouch. Yeah, I'll need to do a video on that. On what I carry in that, or at least what I carried for this weekend. But we got so much stuff too, so much swag, that it was crazy, 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 crazy. The amount of stuff we got. Everybody was, the table gifts were wonderful, and just everything in general. I can't say how much we enjoyed it. I mean, we really, really enjoyed it so much. All right, I'm going to lay my bottom washi down. And right off the bat, it's crooked. So we're going to try and straighten it up here. But I wish I could go to Winter Plannerland. I would love to go to Winter Plannerland, but I don't think we're going to be able to afford that. We're coming off of we'll be cruising in September, and that is taking up a lot of our money, is the cruising. So I don't think we'll be able to swing the tickets for Winter Plannerland, but I sure would love to go, because knowing what a wonderful time that we had. I'm going to put my boxes down now. I'm going to alternate these. Knowing what a wonderful time we had is just, you know, so much fun. I need to put, I'm going to put a to-do sticker here. Let me see if I can find one. And for Monday, because we were traveling back, I'm just going to put a big old lazy day sticker on Monday, because that's what we were. We were just lazing around on Monday, because it was our drive back. So, and we don't really have that far to go when we travel to Gatlinburg. It's not that far from where we live. I'm going to put these tiny little habit trackers down. I can barely see those little things. And I'm going to put some check marks, some to-do boxes here all the way down the page, because I've got a lot of work I need to do this weekend with my YouTube channel and with my Etsy shop. I need to get some new releases done. I want to post in my Etsy shop my budget new releases for July and get those kits out. I need to get some Erin Condren Petite stuff done for my shop as well, because I do specialize in Erin Condren Petite planner stuff daily and monthly. So I'm going to put all this down here. I think I'm going to put one more down just in case I can squeeze something else in there. Oh, that doesn't look right. Let me see. There we go. Squeeze those. No, I think I'm just going to leave this one off because it's not looking that good. So I'm going to put that down. I love these little scallop boxes. I'm trying to figure out. I think I'm just going to put those here. Yeah, maybe here. Yeah, that'll look good. And I'm going to put those on every other day that I didn't have a decorative box down. I don't have a weekend. There wasn't a weekend sticker included with this kit, which is odd. Usually they come with the weekend, but I'm not seeing that. So we'll just know that that's the weekend. All right, let's see. What else do I got? I got these extra 2 little boxes here. I'm not sure really what I'm going to do with those yet, and I don't know what I'm going to do with these dots. I know the weather I need to put in. Yesterday it was sunny and it was hot. It's like in the 90s here now, so it was like really hot. I want to say it was like, I think it was 88 and 67 for the low, I think is what it was. So to do, I need to work on new releases for the shop. I need to film, edit, and upload. Pack orders that came in while I was gone. So pack Etsy orders that came in. Sure, there's other stuff I need to do. Let me see. It's probably going to do an Instagram today. And I am going to film and upload this. So I'm going to put a film and edit here. I'm going to put an edit down below for tomorrow because I'm going to do work on the vlogs. And I'm going to probably do some filming. And I probably will do another post for Instagram with some new releases here. So I'm going to work on the new releases. Down new releases. And the pen I'm using is a Sharpie pen. I find I like using this in this planner. It's really nice. I'm going to section off the weekend with this bow header here. Alright, so we got film edit. I'm not sure. I know there's going to be more stuff I'm going to have to do. Film and edit there. Let's see what else we're going to do. I need to get my phone so I can figure out the weather. Today is also, it's more like a partly sunny day, so I'm going to put partly sunny down for today. That's what it is right now. I don't know what the temperature is yet. And I'm going to section off my to-dos, and I'm going to put a line here. Yep, right there. And I'm going to put a little box here. And I'm going to mark the little things sticker here. I'll put that there. Let's see. So for YouTube, I want to track how many times I'm uploading. So I'm going to put that down for one of my trackers there. And not sure what to do with my other little bow. Maybe I'll put it down here on Sunday. Yeah, I don't see us doing much on Sunday. A lot of filming and editing going on here, and I think I'm going to have to film and edit here as well. Let's see if I have any more of those. I do. I want to film and edit on Friday also. I do a lot of filming and editing this week. I need to catch up with you guys as far as what my Etsy's going on. But for right now, I think that's really about it that I can do. I'm going to go back in and I'm going to fill out the weather. I need to put my stickers in. Oh, that looks horrible, but I got to go with it now. I'm committed. All right, so put that in, and I'll redo this side over here a little bit better than what I did. Let's see. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so I got that in. All right, so far this is what it looks like for this week. So I'm going to leave it with that. And I know this was a short plan with me, but guys, stay tuned because I will be uploading those vlogs, and they are so funny because Mr. TuxedoPlanners, Ron, did a lot of the vlogging for me, and you don't want to miss his reaction to a planner event, okay? But with that being said, please leave me some comments. I love to interact with my subscribers and talk to you guys. Also, if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to be notified of when I upload my content. And give the video a big thumbs up for me if you would. That means the world to me. And with that, guys, I'm off. Bye. See you later.